Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of us, investing. Specifically, we're going to be diving into the world of Acorn and how much you need to invest to get started. Now, I know that some people might be intimidated by the idea of investing, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, Acorn is a great option for beginners because it's super easy to use and you don't need a lot of money to get started. So, how much do you need to invest in Acorn? Well, the answer is actually quite simple, as little as $5. That's right, you can start investing with just $5. This makes Acorn a great option for people who are just starting out or who are on a tight budget. Of course, the more you invest, the more potential you have for returns. But even with a small investment, you can still see some growth over time. So, what are you waiting for? If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to start investing, Acorn is a great option. Just sign up for an account and start investing today. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Acorn, let's take a step back and talk about why investing is important. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth over time. When you invest your money, you are essentially buying a piece of ownership in a company or asset. If the company or asset does well, your investment will grow. Of course, there's always the risk of losing money when you invest. But if you're smart about your investments and do your research, you can minimize your risk and maximize your returns. Now, let's get back to Acorn. Acorn is a robo-advisor, which means that it uses algorithms to manage your investments. This makes it a great option for people who don't have a lot of time or experience to manage their own investments. When you sign up for Acorn, you'll answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and investment goals. Based on your answers, Acorn will create a personalized portfolio for you. Acorn offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can also choose how much you want to invest each month. One of the great things about Acorn is that it's very affordable. There's no minimum investment required, and the fees are low. So, how much do you need to invest in Acorn to see results? Well, that depends on a number of factors, including your risk tolerance, investment goals, and the current market conditions. However, as a general rule of thumb, you should try to invest at least $500 per month. This will give you a good chance of seeing some growth over time. Of course, you can invest more than $500 per month if you're able to. The more you invest, the more potential you have for returns. Now, I know that some of you might be wondering if Acorn is right for you. The answer is that it depends on your individual circumstances. If you're a beginner who is looking for an easy and affordable way to start investing, then Acorn is a great option. However, if you're a more experienced investor who wants more control over your investments, then Acorn might not be the right choice for you. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in Acorn is up to you. But if you're looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, I highly recommend giving Acorn a try. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Acorn or investing in general, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. See you next time.